All right, I don't know how to feel about this because currently I am living in upside down world. Greg is completely packed. That's his bag. He's ready to go. We're about 24 hours out from leaving, and you see it. This is my bag. Very much not ready to go. So, all right, 6:30 the night before we leave. I've been working all day. I've eaten a bagel, and let's see if we can get this done. Okay, I'm back. Things are a little bit better now. Let's talk about what we have. So, we are doing a cruise. So, I do have two dresses. These are just black dresses. One I got off of Amazon, one I got at H&M, as well as a belt to go with them. And I have a scarf that I can wear with them as well if I want to be a little bit dressier, if my arms get cold. I can also wear this as an actual scarf outside if I need it. Pajamas. We're doing those geothermal spas, so I've got a swimsuit cover up and a swimsuit. And then I have 4 tech short sleeve shirts. One I'll be wearing, so that's 5 total. I have a long sleeve tech shirt, and I'll be wearing one, so that's 2 total. And then I have a long sleeve blouse as well as some things to wear underneath that blouse as well for extra warmth. For pants, I have 3 pairs of Eddie Bauer hiking pants. I'm not sponsored by Eddie Bauer, I just really love their hiking pants. They're really warm, but also really flexible, which I like. I have a pair of rain pants that fit over all of them. So if we're doing something where we're behind a waterfall or something, I can definitely do that, as well as a pair of jeans for walking around downtown Reykjavik after our adventures during the day or the ship at night. And I'll be wearing 1 pair as well. So that's 4 pairs of hiking pants total, rain pants and jeans for pants. Underwear and socks, I am not bringing a pair for every day because mine can be washed out, so I am bringing less than that. And miscellaneous, I have my travel laundry bag, which is always so helpful. And then for outerwear, I have a beanie hat and a regular baseball cap. This one is rain resistant as well, which is really helpful. I have a pair of gloves. I got these at Costco for like $11 a few years ago. I really love them. They are as well like snow resistant. And then I have several choices for outerwear depending on how cold it's going to be. Now the forecast right now is calling for mid 40s to mid 50s, which does not seem too bad. It's 101 degrees here today in the Utah Valley, so that was looking really good. But I have a couple of options. I have this, which is a 3/4 zip from North Face. This is actually the men's one. I really liked the women's one, and it fit a lot better, and it was also $25 more, and I could not justify that. So men's it is, and if after this trip Greg wants it, he can have it. I also have this jacket, which is lighter but is heavier. It's warmer than you think it is. It's kind of a Kohl's knockoff of that very popular Lulu jacket. This is a great layering piece, and especially if I have a short sleeve tack on, a long sleeve tack on, this, and then a rain jacket, I feel like I'm going to be warm enough if it's in the 50s. And then of course, my trusty REI rain jacket. This came all over the UK with me. Never gave up, incredibly lightweight, blocks the wind and the rain, so a really good piece. So now, shoes. I'm gonna be wearing these, I don't know if you can see, I'm gonna be wearing these on the plane. These are my Columbia sort of half hiking, half athletic shoes. They've got really great grips in the bottom, and they are weather resistant. So this is gonna be my main pair of shoes while we are there. And then I also have a pair of flip-flops just for those thermal spas and the ship, as well as a pair of shoes for evening on board. So yeah, I guess we'll pack it up. We'll see how we do.